We have a special lady in the house tonight. Request.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Sing it, Marcia there. The lady that sing this song, she's here. She goes by the name of Mrs. Marcia Aitken. Beautiful queen. She's here.
I'm ex-wife, you know.
I'm your ex-wife, So, the beauty queen, Mrs. Aitken, how are you, my darling?
Watch me now. Yo, I'm a lover, not a fighter. They love every time. Rich Virginia. Yes. I'm still in love with you, boy. All the boys are mad. I'm still in love with you, boy. All the boys are mad. Love the boys. I'm still in love with you, boy. Oh yeah. I'm still in love with you, boy. You see what I want, you're cute. Love the cute boy there. I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love with you, only you. What is that? You don't know how to love me, not even how to kiss me. I don't know why I love you, baby. Yeah. But I'm still in love with you, boy. Yes, I am. I'm still, hey, you know Trinity? Don't play that with you. Trinity out of order, but here Trinity is known as the out of order. You say that's me and the big fat thing. How much you bring? Time on Saturday. I'm still in love with you, boy. Yes, I am. I'm still in love with you. I'm here, Auntie and Dana now. Hey.
Here now.
You should just make me altar. You send me to your altar. You do the little. Wind up your waist. Wind it now. Uptown top ranking. I just your uptown top ranking. And you know Mr. Barry Silver for coming.
Tell him.
Hey!
What I'm saying? What can I do?
Tell me, what can you do to stop this girl from trying? I wanna know, what can you do to stop this girl from trying? I wanna know, I really wanna know. Nothing at all! Yes, Marcia Aitken come back and say, I'm still in love with you, Mr. Genius.
Give it up for Marcia Aitken, give it up.